Imagine a vast dark ocean sprinkled with countless twinkling lights. These are stars scattered across the universe. Our sun, the star we know best, is one of these lights. But here's the awe-inspiring truth. Our sun, while massive, is just a tiny speck compared to some of the monstrous stars lurking in the cosmic depths. Our sun is a powerful force. It bathes our planet in warmth and light, making life as we know it possible. It's a giant ball of hot gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, held together by its own gravity. The sun's diameter is a staggering 865,000 miles. To put that in perspective, you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. But even with its impressive size, the sun is just a middleweight in the grand scheme of stars. Enter the Supergiants, stars so colossal they dwarf our sun. These stellar behemoths are hundreds of times larger and millions of times brighter than our own star. They are the cosmic titans, pushing the boundaries of size and luminosity. One such giant is Scuti, a star so massive that if it were placed at the center of our solar system, its outer edges would extend beyond the orbit of Jupiter. Scuti holds the current title for the largest known star in the observable universe. Its radius is estimated to be over 1,700 times larger than our sun. To put that into perspective, if you were to shrink the sun down to the size of a basketball, Scuti would be a sphere stretching over 2 miles wide. It's a mind-boggling size that challenges our understanding of the cosmos. Section 5. A matter of scale. Visualizing the immensity. It's one thing to talk about these sizes in numbers, but it's another thing entirely to grasp their true scale. When we discuss the vastness of space, the numbers can become so large that they lose their meaning. We need a way to visualize these immense distances and sizes to truly appreciate the grandeur of the cosmos. Imagine shrinking our sun down to the size of a grain of sand. This tiny grain represents the massive star that provides light and warmth to our entire solar system. At that scale, the Earth would be smaller than the width of a human hair, orbiting the tiny sun from a distance of about an inch. This comparison helps us understand just how small our planet is in the grand scheme of the universe. Now picture Scuti on this scale. Scuti is one of the largest known stars in the universe, and its size is almost incomprehensible. It would still be a massive object, perhaps the size of a large building, towering over the minuscule speck that represents our sun. This comparison shows just how enormous some celestial objects can be, dwarfing even our own sun, which itself is a giant compared to Earth. By visualizing these scales, we can begin to appreciate the true immensity of the universe and our place within it. The cosmos is vast and filled with wonders that challenge our understanding and stretch the limits of our imagination. Section 6. Stellar life cycles, from birth to brilliant demise. Stars, like living beings, go through a life cycle. They are born from collapsing clouds of gas and dust, ignite in a blaze of nuclear fusion, and eventually fade away, leaving behind remnants that tell the story of their existence. The lifespan of a star is determined by its mass. Massive stars like Scuti live fast and die young, burning through their nuclear fuel at an incredible rate. Section 7. Red Giants, the Twilight Years of Stars. In this chapter, we delve into the fascinating transformation that stars undergo as they approach the end of their life cycles. As stars age, they eventually exhaust the hydrogen fuel in their cores. This depletion of hydrogen marks a significant turning point in a star's life. This triggers a series of events that cause the star to expand outward, becoming a red giant. The core contracts and heats up, while the outer layers swell dramatically. Our sun will eventually go through this phase, swelling to engulf the orbits of Mercury and Venus. This transformation will drastically alter the solar system as we know it. Red giants are cooler than their main sequence counterparts, hence their reddish hue. The cooler temperature is due to the expanded outer layers, which spread the star's energy over a larger surface area. They are also much larger, often hundreds of times the size of their original form. This immense size is a result of the outer layers expanding outward, making red giants some of the most massive stars in the universe. Eventually, red giants shed their outer layers, creating beautiful planetary nebulae. The core left behind becomes a white dwarf. marking the final stage in the life of a medium-sized star. Understanding the twilight years of stars gives us insight into the future of our own sun and the dynamic processes that govern the universe. The life cycle of a star is a testament to the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. Section 8, Supernovae, the explosive end of giants. For massive stars like Scuti, the end comes in a spectacular explosion known as a supernova. When these stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, they can no longer support their own weight. The core collapses in on itself, triggering a runaway nuclear reaction that blasts the star's outer layers into space. Supernovae are among the most energetic events in the universe, briefly outshining entire galaxies. Section 9. The Sun's unique story, a life-giving star. While our sun may be dwarfed by the likes of Scuti, it holds a special place in the cosmos. It is our life-giving star, providing the energy and warmth necessary for life to flourish on Earth. Its size and temperature are just right, allowing for the formation of liquid water and the complex chemistry that led to the evolution of life. Section 10. Our place in the cosmos. Awe and wonder. The vastness of the universe, with its colossal stars and unimaginable distances, can evoke a sense of awe and wonder. When we look up at the night sky, we are peering into a realm that stretches beyond our comprehension, a realm filled with billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars. The sheer scale of it all is enough to make us feel both insignificant and profoundly connected to something much greater than ourselves. It reminds us of our place in the grand scheme of things, a tiny planet orbiting an average star in a vast and ever-expanding cosmos. Our Earth, nestled in the Milky Way galaxy, is just one of countless worlds that may harbor life. This perspective can be both humbling and inspiring, as it challenges us to think about our role in the universe and the potential for other life forms out there. Yet within this vastness, life has emerged on our planet, a testament to the intricate workings of the universe and the delicate balance of conditions that make it possible. The presence of water, the right chemical elements, and a stable climate have all contributed to the flourishing of life on Earth. This delicate balance is a reminder of how precious and unique our planet is, and how important it is to protect it. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the incredible diversity of stars that populate our universe. Each star you see has its own story, its own life cycle. From birth in a stellar nursery to death as a white dwarf, neutron star, or black hole. The night sky is a tapestry of these stories, woven together over billions of years. From the familiar glow of our sun, which provides the energy necessary for life on Earth, to the distant giants that challenge our understanding of the cosmos, each star is a beacon of light and a source of endless fascination. The sun, with its solar flares and sunspots, is a dynamic and ever-changing star that has been studied for centuries. To the distant giants that challenge our understanding of the cosmos. These massive stars, like red supergiants and blue hypergiants, are so large that they defy our imagination. They burn through their fuel at an astonishing rate, living fast and dying young in spectacular supernova explosions. These cosmic events are not only awe-inspiring, but also crucial for the creation of heavy elements that make up planets and life itself. What are your thoughts on the vastness of the universe and the incredible diversity of stars within it? Do you ever wonder about the possibility of other civilizations looking up at their night sky, pondering the same questions we do? The universe is a place of endless mysteries and discoveries, and our journey to understand it is just beginning. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share this exploration of the cosmos with fellow space enthusiasts. Your insights and questions can spark meaningful conversations and inspire others to look up at the night sky with a sense of wonder and curiosity. Together, we can continue to explore the mysteries of the universe and our place within it.